Experiencing call dropouts with your AirPods Pro 3 can be frustrating. The primary cause is often Bluetooth interference, especially when answering calls or switching between devices. AirPods Pro 3 use Bluetooth 5.4, which can conflict with Wi Fi signals, both operate on the 2.4 GHz band or other nearby devices. The good news is that Apple's firmware update 7B, released in April 2025, significantly reduces these connectivity issues. This update optimizes Bluetooth handling for iOS 18.1 Plus and macOS 15, enhancing BLE stability and preventing dropouts during transitions. It also improves multi-device switching. Ensure your AirPods Pro 3 and connected devices are updated to the latest software to resolve most dropout issues. If updating doesn't completely eliminate call dropouts, try these additional steps. First, ensure automatic ear detection is enabled. This feature ensures calls connect properly when wearing the AirPods. Next, reset your AirPods by unpairing and then repairing them with your device. This clears any cached errors. Be aware that low battery can also weaken Bluetooth signals, so keep your AirPods charged. In environments with heavy Wi-Fi congestion, consider switching to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Also, disable Bluetooth on other unused devices to reduce interference. If problems persist, contact Apple support for personalized diagnostics. Recent data shows that many issues are software resolvable, but environmental factors and device settings play a significant role. By addressing these areas, you can dramatically improve call stability with your AirPods Pro 3.